Ease it up so that we could check, see if anyone coming.
Like ease what up?
When I say ease it up, that means come off the brake so that the vehicle can begin to ease forward.
All right, folks, so I got to say I've been starting to like teaching all the young dogs, right? They've been coming in with the right attitude, the right permit, and they've been coming in being honest about their driving situation. Let's check this brother out today.
What are you working on today?
Everything. I have like zero experience, so I don't know.
You got zero experience.
Yeah.
That's great. I like that you're coming right off the gate just like that. Really would have wished you would have wore some shoes. It would have made you feel the pedal a little bit better.
And I'm real happy that I told him that at the beginning of this video, because I'm going to show y'all a little bit later why it's real important to make sure you got the proper shoes on.
But let's get it squared away. So the goal is to make sure that put your foot on the brake.
Now listen, new drivers, I get it. You ain't never been behind the wheel before, but damn it, you done been go-kart racing before, and I know you done played a little GTA. I am not expecting you to get inside of this car and not know absolutely nothing. And another thing with these young dogs is you can't hear nothing I'm in there saying with them damn earphones in your ear.
Let's get your earbud out.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that way you can.
So new drivers, when you come out here ready with me, you got to be ready to rock and roll, because we ain't even going to sit inside of this parking lot too long. I'm putting you on the road. Let's check out his first time getting on the road.
To drive. All right, cool. We're going to put that left blinker on. Bam, ease out. Make sure we check it to the right. Bam, ease out. Come off brake a bit. Straighten it up. We're heading out. Aim for the right side of the road. Straighten her up. So we stand to the right. Good job. Nice pause. Now we're going to check. As we ease up, we're turning to the right. Put that right blinker on for me. Ease her up. Ease it. As we check, hold it. We're good. Let's go. Enter the road. Wait a minute, because someone's coming on. So we got to be actively checking. When we make this right, we're going to make a left up 15th. Let's go. Make that right. Look where you're going. Move them hands. There you go. Straighten up. Keep going. You got it. Put the left blinker on. There you go. Slow it down. Check. Make sure no one's coming. Make sure no one's coming. Turn. Let's roll. Get to your side. Look where you're going.
This is
Awkward. You don't know your feet. You got on boots, right? That's why you want to wear some shoes, because that's all big and clunky. You got to feel for stuff. Stay to the right. How about we do this? Slow it down. We're going to pull to the side. Slow it. Pull to the side. Straighten her up. Bam. Put it in park. Let's take that off. I'd rather you feel it than to have to clunk it. You get what I'm saying? Take that off. We're going to just use your sock. Put that left blinker on. There you go. What is going on? Roll it. Bam, just like that. We're going to be turning right. Put that right blinker on. Ease it up so that we can check, see if anyone coming.
like ease what up?
When I say ease it up, that means come off the brake so that the vehicle can begin to ease forward.
Oh, okay.
Got it. Look at what we got going on. We good? Turn, let's rock and roll.
But regardless to what I may be saying, this student driver is doing an awesome job considering his first time behind the wheel. One thing you do want to pay attention to, new drivers, is that if the instructor is telling you to do something, you may want to follow it. They got your life and your directions in their hand. They're not going to tell you nothing wrong. Just follow the simple directions.
Make our left.
Like someone's coming. Wait till
Let's roll. Follow me, man. Move them hands. Let's roll. Get it in there. Straighten her up. Stay to the right. Keep it rocking and rolling. You got this. Just follow me. I ain't gonna have you do nothing wrong, man.
Notice how I reassured the student that they doing everything good while keeping my tone and everything nice and smooth for him too.
We're gonna turn left onto this road. I want you to see how that is. Put that left blinker on. Take it up and make sure we stop and we check in. Make sure we recognize where we're going. Right side of the road, close to the yellow line.
Now, honestly, I can always count on my new drivers messing up on their first left turn. But luckily, he kept his head looking in that direction and he killed this left turn.
There you go. Keep it rocking and rolling. We'll get smoother with that. Keep it rolling. Blinker on. Give me a complete stop. Then we have to check. Ease it up so we can see. There you go. Ease it so you can see. Ease, you ain't easing.
Wait, I thought I was...
Ease, follow me. Ease it up. It's green now. Make it right. Look where you're going, move them hands. Boom, boom, boom. Get close to yellow, straighten it up. Stay close to yellow as we continue ahead. We just focusing on keeping the vehicle straight, calming down, controlling our speed, and being out here on the road. Don't worry about nobody else. Just stay to your side and make sure you can look out that outside mirror and see that yellow line, all right? And we're keeping it rocking and rolling. That's it. There you go. And just breathe and look around. Start preparing for the stop. Nice and easy. Man. You out there, right? Just take a little time. We're getting a little used to it. Make sure you know where we're going on these. Let him pass. And make sure we're getting in that first available lane where that white car is on that side of the road. Ease it up so we can see what's happening. Stop again, check it. Make sure you can see in both directions. We're good, let's roll. First lane. Look where you're going. Get there. See that? Straighten her up. That's what we're looking for. Kill that signal. Good job. We out. Lane change to the right. What's happening?
I think the other car trying to come to the right, so I don't know.
Okay, kill the signal. That's why you look in the blind spot area, right? And that's what helps us determine whether we got that space or not. We're keeping it straight. Oh, we're going. Lane change to the right. There you go. Kill the signal. Check that left as we get back over there. Get towards the left. Check it, check it. There you go. Get close to yellow. Kill the signal. Straighten it out. There you go. It's a one-way. Slow it down. Nope. Check it. We're good. Roll. We're going to make a left up here. Stay to the right of the road. Roll it. Shit. Yeah. There you go, man. Quit being nervous. You got it. Just get to your side. Keep it rolling. Should have put that blinker on, though. He would have known what was going on. That's our stop sign still. Left blinker on. Be checking to the right as you approach. Checking here. Slow it.
I don't understand what's.
You'll get that better. You got to slow it, turn it, slow it again, then gas it through. The car have to rock back at the stop signs. Okay. You can't, that was a yield that you did. You just slow, check, roll. Can't do that at a stop sign. Car got to rock back. Hold the brake, check it. We good, let's roll. That's what you got to focus on. What intersections? What are they telling us at each one of these? Like right now, we don't have to stop if we wanted to do something. But here, we do. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna make a left. This is where you want to land. Not there. Got it? That is where you go in order to make a left off of this road. All right, continue ahead.